So we had a 2-day natural building workshops here. As a part of this workshop, we have explored learning about building with local materials. Bamboo was the main construction material here. The structure is made with bamboo. Then we have used wattle and dove method, in which bamboo is the main weaving material. The local site soil, red soil and sand is being used for the daub mix. Many admixtures, kaduke jaggery, cow urine and fibers like coconut coir, rice husk is part of the daub mix. Lime is also a stabilizer. In this building, the walls are built with 0% cement. That is being the main factor which makes this building a natural build.
In 2018, when Kerala was struck by a disastrous flood that we all know, Kerala lost a lot of homes, a lot of livelihood to this destruction. At the time, a couple of architects and engineers came together to discuss what can be done in order to prevent such a disastrous feat from happening. So this is the inception of Coearth Foundation. So Coearth Foundation is a group of architects and engineers from the construction industry who have come together for a common goal. The common goal being to promote sustainability as a building material, to promote sustainability as a construction choice for the common people. What we do in this foundation is we have a lot of training programs, a lot of workshops that are being conducted. We have seminars. So our motive is to bring together people from all walks of life, not just construction industry, but common people, to educate them the importance of sustainability, the importance of living with the nature, the importance of constructing with the nature, being one with the nature. So this is the underlying principle of Coearth Foundation.
This workshop has given me a confidence on construction of the natural building. For example, we had a lot of experienced team like the Coearth. They have a big team who is technically strong in this field. So I got a lot of contacts from them, and I really believe that I can go ahead with natural construction with such a team support.